This is a review of the Fullmosa Apple Watch strap that we are going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we're going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys more in depth about it. Okay, so this is what it comes with. So as you guys know, it comes with the strap as well, but also it comes with the surrounding as well too for the 38 and the 40 and 41 millimeters. So you use this for the surrounding for your Apple Watch. And the strap here is right located here that you can see. It looks absolutely amazing and beautiful. But what we're going to do now is that we're going to install this on my Apple Watch Series 6 and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so we got the Apple Watch strap on from Fullmosa, and right over here you can see how beautiful the strap is, and I left this as red. You can see right over here, so it's optional if you were to install this, but I usually like with the black and red contrast. It really looks amazing. But talking about the strap itself, number one is that the quality of this is really outstanding, and the reason why I say so is because the whole material of the strap is stainless steel quality, so you don't have to worry about any rust or corrosion at all. And really, stainless steel quality, really high quality. Right over here, you could also adjust the strap as well. So if I do this, you can see it's adjustable. So if your hand is bigger, you could adjust it according to your size of your wrist. And right over here, once I do this, it clips. So just like this, if I were to let go, it locks in place just like that. And right over here, it doesn't move at all either. So you don't have to worry about your Apple Watch, like, for example, if you do like outdoor sports or anything like that, you don't have to worry about like, flying off or anything like that. You can see it's very snug inside my wrist. It's not coming off at all. Really, it snugs in place just like that. And you can see I'm testing it, nothing. And if I were to pull it off just like that, let's say if you were to take it off, so I just hold it just like this, take the strap off like that, and it loosens out just like that, and you pull it off just slowly, just like that, off your wrist. So yeah, I would definitely recommend the Fullmosa Apple Watch strap if you are looking for a high quality strap to use for your everyday. For example, if you are doing like outdoor activities, or just, for every single day that you want a strap where it snugs into place and it's stainless steel quality and high quality, then this strap right over here from Fullmosa is by far one of the best straps to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.